Are you waiting and watching to see if OnPassive is real? Or are you don't have the money to pay for your OConnect account? If you don't have the money, continue looking at this video and you will find a way to pay for your OConnect accounts. It is called Do Whatever You Have to Do Legally to Activate Your OConnect Accounts. OnPassive is very real and will shortly let the over 3 million customers come into OnPassive through the founders. That's you. You have to activate your OConnect accounts to benefit from having these customers in your organization. If you don't activate your accounts, you will not benefit from the first wave of customers coming into OnPassive through the founders. Those who don't activate will still be founders, but founders without having customers in your organization. To let this first wave pass you by would not be why you became founders. The first train will be leaving, so you will have to catch the second train. The first train are those founders who have activated their OConnect accounts. They will be paid commissions first. Mr. Mufara said that we will have a great month of December 2023. We will have new products released for those who will be in position to pay for those new products with the commissions they made from those who have activated their OConnect accounts. The surprise is that some founders who have already activated their OConnect accounts will have customers placed in their organizations who have already paid for their OConnect product. So those founders will have been paid commissions without selling anything. That is the power and love of OnPassive and Mr. Ash Mufara. The founders who have already activated their OConnect accounts and paid $300 will, on their first sale, get 100% commission paid back to them and 25% commission on every sale after their first sale. Because of this extraordinary act of Mr. Ash Mufara. Mr. Mufara also gave the founders an extra month of OConnect for free. What that means is that those founders who have activated will not have to pay for their next OConnect package until January 1st, 2024. Wow! Now for those founders who have not activated their OConnect accounts, Mr. Mufare has reduced the price of OConnect from $1,400 for 3 months to $9,300 for 3 months, starting from the day that you activate your OConnect account. As of this moment, no new customers have been released to any founder. That will be the first wave and first train leaving with very happy and excited founders. Founders who have not activated their OConnect accounts, you still have time to do that. The pay processors are working very proficiently. Get on that train before it leaves the station. No founder will be left behind, but you have to get on the trains. Do you want to be on the first train leaving? Activate your OConnect accounts now. First who activate, first paid.